Inguinal hernia surgery. You're here because you probably YouTubed or Googled inguinal hernia or something like it, or surgery. I got mine done on June 12th, 2013, and now it's June 23rd, so it's been 11 days. A little bit about the process. Well, first off, I'm making this YouTube video as a way to kind of help people like me who were freaked out about the whole process. You know, I had mine for predominantly for a year, but I noticed it for over the course of 4 years. There was little bumps, and then somehow it just got bigger for about a year, and I just put it off, and I was freaked out about the whole surgery. Well, I YouTubed a bunch of videos, which are good. You know, there's some good ones out there, and if I can, I'll try and provide some links. But I just figured I'd throw my 2 cents in and show you what I did. Probably be throwing in some pictures of me in a nightgown. Probably be throwing in some videos of me loopy.
Hi, Matt.
Hi.
So how you feeling?
Why am I laughing?
Because you have medication in you.
And probably throwing in some videos of me after the surgery.
So how are you feeling?
I'm almost fully like clear-headed.
Kinda
Thirsty
nice.
as heck, that's for sure. It's really not as bad. Honestly, I remember listening to people saying it's not as bad as you think, or it'll be okay. Honestly, it really is. I was freaked out when I went and found out, the process, and then the day of the surgery. Honestly, they make it comfortable depending on where you go. But I mean, I had Kaiser Permanente, and they were great. They make you comfortable. There's lots of nice people around. Right before you go into surgery, they give you a nice little cocktail that makes you all loopy. It was pretty awesome. You come out of it, if you get laparoscopic like me, I'll show you probably a picture of that too. The scars, they go through your belly button. There's also 2 other holes that they use for instruments, and the recovery time's a lot easier. But this is just a start-off video. If you want to know more, or if anybody else wants to know more, leave me some comments, and I'll make a second video putting more pictures in or whatever. Can't really figure out what to describe right now, but complications with it, I did run into, pains actually. I did run into swollen ball sack, if you will, after the surgery. That lasted for about 10 days. Just happens. There's pain associated with the tubes that they put into you. Also, if you do laparoscopic like I did, there's gas that they put in, carbon dioxide usually, into your abdomen to help puff up your stomach and see while they're doing the surgery. After the surgery is over, they release the gas, but not all of it gets out. It's common, and what happens is the gas will travel upward into your chest area, into your shoulders and neck, before your body absorbs it and pushes it through your system. It takes honestly about 3 to 5 days. For me, the following night, and the gas had gotten stuck in my chest area, and I woke up in the middle of the night with chest pains, right here, and I thought I was having a heart attack or a blood clot or something. So I went to the hospital. Yeah, went to the hospital. Ended up taking an ambulance ride, and they did all sorts of tests. it was not fun. But all to come out to the conclusion that there was just ultimately air or gas in my chest cavity, which is common. It's very uncomfortable. It will pass. But yeah, there's a few people who end up going to the hospital because they don't realize, hey, you know, there's a gas bubble in your chest. And then, of course, the surgeons want to make sure that it's not a gas bubble, so they'll do tests, EKGs, that thing where they put you in a big metal tube, and then put iodine inside you through a little tube, and then you get that taste in your mouth and feel like you gotta take a leak. Yeah, that's not fun. But anyways, it's not a bad procedure. So if you want to know more, shoot me a comment and I'll make a second video if you have any more questions or something I might have left out. Alrighty, good luck.